Well folks, this is Salou and this is the coastal walk. I've seen videos of this and it's a really nice walk, so let's check it out. There's lots of wee statues and sculptures along it, I think. Just look at the scenery. Guessing it's some sort of king. So my first impressions of Salou, I really liked it. The hotel we're staying in, the Salou Princess, the H10 Salou Princess, sorry. I have to say, I quite like it. It's not the fanciest hotels I've been in, but it's far from the worst. And I really enjoyed going to the Gold River Hotel at Portaventura Park. So we stayed there for a night. Believe it or not, if you're staying in Salou, in the main park, and you want to go to the theme park for a couple of days, it's actually cheaper just to book a hotel room in the park and spend the 2 days there, because you get free access both days and one access to Ferrariland, so well worth doing in my opinion. So anyway, on with the walk. And I did really like Gold River Hotel. You can check that on my main channel, Jet Set Dan. It will be up soon, I hope. I'm going to try a wee bit of proper editing. Just now I've just been doing one big long video and taking wee bits out of it. But with Gold River I filmed a lot of different wee bits and bobs. So I'm going to put it all together. I'm getting better at this YouTube stuff. Look at that, that's a nice beach. It's a beautiful day. This is the best day that we've had since we came here. It's been quite cloudy and I'm out without sunscreen, so I'll need to get back to the hotel and do that. But I'll film a few videos first. Well folks, got a load of stairs to go up, so I might be a bit out of breath, but we'll see. Just look at the scenery, amazing. Now, one thing I'll say about Salou, it is extremely wheelchair accessible when you have to come in, but I knew that this walk wouldn't be accessible. Could do it in stages I think, but we have been, see if you look up there, up the stairs, I've got to go way up them stairs. Further along, I think we were there at one point. Oh, it's some walk this. Look at that beach. Absolutely lovely day. I have to say this is one of the nicest walks I've ever done abroad. I really like this one. I think, see, standing here looking, see the length of the promenade. It is quite some size when you see it from up here. Just love this view. Well, I've done Benidorm quite a bit, but Salou is new to me. However, I really like it here. I really do. Nightlife wise though, you can't beat Benidorm. I think it's really hard to. What is this? The big sentinel. I can't see anything on that. I'm assuming you can see something. Check out this view. Started away over there and I'm way over here, and look, it goes on and on and on. So I'll take a wee walk over there and I think I'll end it there. I couldn't take Jacqueline down here, but I could, but it's a bit difficult with her wheelchair. It is an electric one, but she's got a tendency to go to the right, so you have to kind of hold it going down. But look at this. Lovely wee beach, hardly empty at it. Yeah, there's a lot to like in Salou, I have to say. It is really nice place. Just going to show you up this way and then I think I'll end the video. It's been a nice walk, I've really enjoyed this. It's a wee bit windy, but that's not a bad thing, keeps me cool. I've enjoyed this wee walk. Apart from the stairs, you know what I mean, there's quite a bit of stairs and I'm almost 50. God, I feel old saying that. Oh, I thought there was something up here. Let's see. It just goes on and on and on and on. Oh. Well, I think when I get back to the hotel, I'm going to go for a swim. Been itching to do it since I got here, but the weather's not been great.